If you have a smoke detector in a really high spot, like a vaulted ceiling, how do you change the battery? Code in a lot of places says it has to be 6 inches from the peak of the ceiling. Getting a ladder up there? Good luck. I'm going to show you a much easier way to change this battery. Now this method does take a little planning, but when we go up into the attic, I installed a wire that will extend the battery. Yep, when the battery dies and the smoke detector starts beeping, I go up into the attic and I just pop this battery off. This is so easy to change. Now you might be saying, well, just don't put the battery in the smoke detector. That won't work because these smoke detectors are also hooked up to the fuse box. If the battery goes dead in the smoke detector, this circuit will cause the smoke detector to keep beeping. So you have to change the battery. So next time that smoke detector starts beeping and keeping you up at night, the solution is simple. Go up into the attic and just change the battery. No ladders necessary. Hope you found this tip useful, and thanks for watching. See you next time.